Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do Kuta software pre-algebra, adding, subtracting integers. I have written some rules here on this sheet of paper. So we are going to practice number 1 and I will tell you which rule we will use. In number 1 we are adding a negative number and a positive 7. So we use rule number 1. When adding opposites, we want to subtract. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then take the sign of the stronger number. And the stronger number is 12, so it's negative 5. In number 3, we're going to use rule number 1. Again, when adding opposite signs, subtract. So they're opposite signs. 6 is negative, 12 is positive. Subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then it says take the sign of the stronger number. 12 is stronger and it's positive. We are done. Let's try number 2. Number 2, we will use rule number 2. When adding same signs, add, then keep the sign. So 10 and 7 are both negatives. They're the same. So we're using the rule, we add 10 and 7, that's 17, and keep the sign. Negative 17. 8 plus 7 is simple, it's just 15. 3 plus 4 is simple, it's 7. Let's try number 6. In number 6 we use rule number 1 where the signs are opposite. We subtract. 45 minus 9, that would be 36. And take the sign of the stronger. 45 is stronger, so it's negative. In number 7, we will use rule number 2. The signs are the same, so we add them and keep the sign, which is negative, so negative 47. In number 8, the signs are opposite. We will use rule number 1, where we subtract. 30 minus 10 is 20, and take the sign of the stronger number. 30 is stronger, so it's negative. In number 9, we use rule number 1. The signs are opposite, so we subtract. 50 minus 34 is 16. And take the sign of the stronger. 50 is stronger and it's positive, so it's just 16. In number 10, we use rule number 1 again. The opposite signs, so we subtract. 38 minus 5 is 33. And take the sign of the stronger. 38 is stronger and it's positive. So it's positive. In number 11, we use rule number 3, where you see minus a negative is the same as adding those numbers. So minus a negative is to add. So that equals 4. In number 12, it's using rule number 2. It is the same as saying negative 1 add negative 10. It is also using rule number 4, where subtraction is equivalent to adding. It's negative. So subtraction of 10 is the same as adding negative 10. So using rule number 2, when you add same signs, you add those numbers 11 and keep the sign. Number 13, 8 minus 7 is easy enough. That's just 1. In number 14, we use rule number 3 where you see negative minus of a negative, it's really to add. So now we use rule number 1 where you're trying to add opposite signs. 8 is negative, 6 is now positive. So you subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. And take the sign of the stronger number 8, which is negative. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to see more videos on a different math topic, please leave a comment.